So here's the thing. Would you like me to tell you how every single magic trick's done? I could get kicked out of the magic circle for this, but frankly, I don't care. I mean, I actually tell you how every single magic trick in the world is done. People think it's sleight of hand, years of practice. That's nothing to do with it. It's all to do with a magic button. This is a magic button. Now, I know you don't believe a word that I'm saying, but this can make anything happen. Now, what's your name?
Harriet.
You are going to be in charge of the button.
Okay.
I know, there you go, big responsibility. But don't press the button until I say. If you press it too early, I don't know, crazy things could happen. Now, what's your name?
Reese.
Reese. Reese, do you want to give these, do you play cards?
Sometimes.
Great, do you want to give them a shuffle?
Yeah.
Mix them up, give them a shuffle. Do me a favour though, Reese, when you finish shuffling them, can you put them back in the original order? Because it makes it so... You don't have to, yeah, you have to do that.
I'm guessing you could do that.
Maybe, with enough practice. But I don't need to because I've got my magic button and I've got Harriet. Right, so, are you good?
Yeah, just give it one more.
You really don't trust me, do you? I can tell. It's like, all right. We'll keep shuffling. We'll keep getting there until there's no way you can do the trick. So, you're going to pick a card. Now, you're going to write... Oh, there you go. Were you thinking of a joker? That's very impressive. You're going to grab a card. But I want you to pick a number card because you're going to write your name on it. So grab a number card, any card with a number on. Good stuff. When you got the card, show all your friends. And apparently I'm not your friend. I thought we were bonding already, but apparently not. I'm going to give you a pen.
Okay.
You're going to write your name on the face of the card. Not on the back, on the face. Not on your face, on the face of the card, just to be clear. There we go. So you write your name on there. I'll look this way. Underneath your signature, if you can put your...
Any kind of way
like that on the face. Big letters, though. Big, huge letters, so you can see it from a distance. And then underneath, just put your bank account number and sort code. That'd be... It's worth a try, right? You're gonna give it a go. And I'll take the pen back, mainly because that's how I got it. And this is where things get really exciting. You're going to put the card back. Just say stop anytime you want.
Stop.
Put the card back now. So, did you see the card over there? Did you see the card over there in the cheap seats? Very good. Roughly, how many cards down in the pack would you say that card is?
20.
About 20. Push it in yourself. I don't want to cheat. I'm going to cheat. Hopefully you won't catch me. But it's about 20 cards down, right?
Something like that.
I'm going to take the top card. Now, the Jack of Spades, that's not your card, right?
No.
1 down, 51 to go. Now, normally, sleight of hand would dictate me going through these cards to try and find it. This is where your button comes in, Harriet. I'm going to cover up the Jack like this, right? And you're going to press the button. And when you do, magic happens. Are you ready? You excited about this?
I am very
Good.
excited.
I'm going to cover it up. Press the button. Press the button. See, and that's when the card changes into your card. I love the look on your... I know! And you thought I was going to be shit. Look, I'll do it.
So if I press it again, will it go back?
Well, yeah, we're going to do it again. In fact, I'm going to keep doing it until he likes it. It could be here a while. Look, we're going to pop the 9 about halfway down. You say that's about halfway, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to push it in just like that. Square up the sides. Do me a favour, just press the button. Any questions? I know, let it out. I know. Look, I tell you what we'll do. What's your name?
Lucy.
Lucy. I'm going to pop the 9 right there, Lucy. Can you do me a favour? Can you come over here and just square up the cards for me? Very good. Square them all up. Press the button for me, Harriet.
You look panicked.
Lucy, turn over the top card.
Oh my god!
Now, here's the... I know, right? It's so annoying. Now, I'm going to put the 9. Some people say I'm not really putting it in the middle. It's got nothing to do with the button. It is. I'm going to put that 9 about halfway down, but face up. Can you see it going in there? Face up. About halfway down. Now, watch this. I'm going to take the card second from top. This one here, the 8. Press the button for me. I'll cover up the 8. Watch this. The second you press it.
Oh my god!
But I'll tell you what, Harriet. Look, are you right or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Hold out your right hand. Just like that. Very good. Now look, you're going to have to button press with your left hand. It's called multitasking. We can do this. The 9 goes right there on your hand, and the rest of the cards go on top. I'm not going to touch anything. With the other hand, press the button. Turn over the top card. Now,
getting like really itchy.
Crazy, right? Now, I'm going to let you. I'm going to do what every magician shouldn't do. I'm going to let you see the moment it happens. So, Harriet, there's the 9, right? You can see that it's got Reese's name on it. And I'm going to flip it over. I'll even give you one last look at it in case you think I'm cheating, right? Now, the 9 goes in the middle of this half like this. And this half goes in the middle of this half like this. So it's going in the middle of the middle of the middle.
Right.
That's about as middle as you're going to get. I'll show you it's not on top. Likewise, it's not on the bottom. it's not that the card comes to the top. The top card turns into your card, Reese. Now, you don't normally see this because the card's face down. But if I leave it face up... Harriet, can you press the button? Watch that king. You actually see the moment. Now, the only way I could get better than this is if you've already shuffled. Lucy, I'm guessing you're a pretty good shuffler, am I right?
Yeah.
I can tell. I can tell.
We do make her shuffle.
Do you indeed? Okay, so can you do me a favour? Can you shuffle the cards for me, mix them up? Because the only way I can do this better is if the cards are shuffled and yet still it comes to the top of the pack. Okay, so when you finish shuffling, put them on the table. And just to confirm, when you put them on the table, just turn over the top card so we know that the card isn't there. Okay, good. Turn it face down. Are you ready? Harriet, press the button. No, press the button, Harriet. There's noise. Now press the button. Now press it hard. I think you...
I broke it.
Harriet, you've broken my button. Later. Well, that's the end of the trick, guys. I hope you... This is awkward. It's just... it might be a battery thing. Let me just check. Hang on. You unscrew it. Hang on, let me just... Oh, hang on, there is a card in there, a folded up card. Reese, hold your hand out for me, because this can't be. There's one folded up card inside that button. That button that she's been pressing the whole time. It couldn't be. Unfold it. Am I the only one that thinks that's completely nuts?
That is very nice.
You can keep that as a souvenir, Reese.
I was gonna ask if I
Yeah,
could.
yeah, of course you can.